Okay, good morning. I decided not to wait a day. It was a light rain all night, and it's still a light rain. We can definitely work in it, and we're kind of undercover. This is just real slippery clay. You can see it's clubbing up to my feet, and I was worried about getting the truck down here, but we can pull the mixer straight ahead and shoot the back half through that window. The problem is we need to back them down and make this turn, but we can shoot for that gravel and then pull them up this slight grade to the doorway. So I wasn't sure about that. So what I did was, hey, make a video, and I sent it to the dispatch and told them what we were doing, described it to them, showing them where we need to get the truck. And then I called them and said, hey, what are your thoughts? I kind of think we'll be okay, but it's going to be a struggle if we wait another day. It's probably not going to be any better. As a matter of fact, it'd probably be worse. It's going to be raining lightly all day on it. And, if not right now, then we're going to have to wait till Monday or Tuesday to do this. Not a big deal, but I just want to be somewhere else working, getting another project done. So we decided to go for it. Mixer's getting loaded, tools are getting out. Maybe we'll get some hot coffees coming, and at least it's not too cold out. Fun. Hey, if this looks fun to you, come on aboard, we're hiring. I haven't said that one for a while. Okay, while we're waiting on a mixer, this is what we poured yesterday. I'll finish nice and smooth. We have zip strips up here. And this is garage. This all gets covered. Our zip strips, aren't perfectly straight like a saw cut. So in a garage where you're gonna see them, snap some lines. Steve's gonna get started saw cutting this off of that corner. I always like center, and I always like off of the floor drains. Over here, what I wanted to talk about real quick, which way is the crack gonna go? To this corner or this corner? So just throw 2 cuts in it, and it's probably gonna crack right in the middle. Isn't that right? Okay. Truck 1's mixing up down the driveway. That was the easy part. Front tire sunk a little bit, not bad at all. We'll continue this straight. I'm not worried about this truck. We need to get to this corner out here, and then number 2 truck makes me nervous. I think we're gonna pull them here, back them up, and pull them up to the door. Hopefully it doesn't keep sliding and churning down the hill. All right, let's see, you want the full mix. So we'll give that about 5 minutes and we will be underway. Okay, that was 10 yards. I think it went very well. A couple of the rakers might disagree. We knew that corner was going to be a tough one. Slow and flat. Clean up. There's no place to put him, so he's cleaning up. Number 2 is probably up there, or I don't see him yet. So he'll be here any minute. So hopefully we'll have him washed up, loaded, out of here. Number 2, hard part's done, right? Okay, as I'm walking with a handful of stuff, number 2 is here. right in front of the house. Oh, sorry about that. I know I'm getting you dizzy. See the earth pumping a little bit underneath the tires, moving. A little bit. Not so much up there. You'll see it right there a little bit. He'll sit tight. Dwayne will get out of here. Here you go, Dwayne. Merry Christmas.
Oh, thank you.
You bet. Sorry about the dirty handprint on it. Alright. Dwayne will pull out. Pull him over. All-wheel drive mixers really make our job a lot easier. So he's going to hang out right there. We'll get Bill situated. Probably one or two backups there to get him over a little bit. Hold up! Sorry for yelling in the camera. Okay, I think we're good. Why you stay there? Hold up there. I wouldn't come back anymore. Yeah, I'm starting to slide this way, and good, right there. Okay, let's get them mixed up. Okay, told the mixer driver to go ahead and pull over there, get safe. The number one truck can take off. Most of our tools are clean. See how he makes it around the bend. Matt was worried he wasn't getting his cardio in today, so after that 10 yards, being nice and tight like that, I told him he owed me $29.95 for that cardio workout. Yeah. Okay, so we're good there. Back on solid ground. Finished cleaning up. You guessed it, sip of coffee. Okay, just a quick update how things are going here. Floor is finally setting up. It's been about an hour since the last mixer left. Dealing with a little bit of rain that is still hanging on. So we propped up some 16-foot 2x4s, made a little lean-to right over that beam. Now it is dripping off the beam, so I made a little lean-to down there to catch it. Phase 1, phase 2, whatever it takes to protect that concrete. Jim's on it, just hitting the edge. We're waiting for the okay for everybody else to jump on. And day like today, nice and cool, damp. It's just setting up a little slow. I did have a 0.5% flake or calcium at the plant, and we put a bag of flake in it on site. And no hot water. They shut the boilers off. So mixing with cold water really tames that cement down and makes the setup slower, which is good. Gets stronger, but we don't want to be here all day. And put some accelerator in it, speed that process up. Never exceed 2%. Right now we're at 1.5%. Textbook says 2% max. So that's what we try to do. All right, getting on there and getting started. Okay, first pass is done on everything. Jump on here and see if I can help out. Getting on the sliders. That's how long it's been since I troweled. It's all rusty. It'll be off of there in seconds. Oh, that's nice. Always leading with the top of your trowel in the direction you're going. Turn your wrist, bring it back. Looking good. Want it to look nice all the way up to the wall. And it does make a difference because we got this job because of a job we did over there. They liked our work, so they asked for us here. Little things like that can get you more. You never know where it's going to go. I'm not going to bore you with all this. I just wanted to show you a little bit. All right. Okay, there it is, all trialed and finished. Took about 3 passes. Concrete just didn't want to set up with it being so cold and damp. Is it worth working on days like today? Like it's still raining. It's just, even though we're inside, we're tromping through the mud. I look at it as just getting one thing off of the schedule. Now we're done here. This was doable. Wasn't tons of fun, but very doable. And now tomorrow we can go elsewhere. I'm just looking at the tools I need to carry up the street. So I'll go ahead and sign off. That's my thought on it. I just wanted to pass it on to you. Let's try and push forward and get something off the schedule every day as the rain's getting on the lens. All right, see you tomorrow.